Yo, chat, we are live. What the fuck? What's up? What's up, chat? How y'all doing, chat? How y'all doing? Fuck, bro. Alright. Yeah, I had this in mind, bro. Alright, for GU, I'm gonna be looking for this sell side to be taken. And probably if I get a tap into that bullish fair value gap, that's pretty good job. Let's wait and let's see if we can get a setup, short setup. I'll be looking for shorts only on GEO until we take that liquidity out. Time is let's see if we can get another tab into that. I think we're gonna tap one more time into that and then take out the liquidity right there. No, bro, I'm not from India, bro. But we do have a BC, I mean CV right there. Let's see. All right, gold tapped into some uh, nice zone right there. And by the way, chat, we I was looking for I was looking at Europe, uh, and yeah, I was looking at these two relative equal lows. We talked about these two lows right there yesterday, and you can see I have taken those out. And it would be nice if we don't see these lows uh, not being taken on Euro. Because I'm bullish at still. I'm still bullish on Euro and G. I want to see something, bro. We are in the discount zone right now, and we do have a BC right there also, but we closed below that. On the 2 hour, it's a little bit bigger, but let's see. Yeah, I think we were gonna take out these lows, bro. Not gonna lie. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong. We might take out this low. Yep. All right, we inverse that 1 hour CB right there. Fuck, bro. 1 hour BC right there, and we also have a 15 minutes CB right there. And the time is 7:19 right now. Yeah, let's see if we can get a setup. I think I'll prefer GU, bro. GU is gonna move. Yeah, I'm an ICT trader. GU is gonna move quicker, bro. Let's see. In GU there is 4 hour 1 hour order block. Can we go long after what? After market structure shift in 5 minutes? No, bro. We probably gonna take out these lows. Uh, I'm looking at these lows right down there. I can't say anything yet until we take this low out. Maybe like this one. Let's see. If GU take out these lows, it's gonna go into that 1 hour BC, and then we might see some reversal. At least that's what I'm expecting right now, but I don't know. I'm bullish on the XY. All right, euro is already moving right now, bro. Euro is moving. We might see some SM2, bro. Yeah, we might see some SM2. We already have SM2 right now. I might go short right now, chat. Not gonna lie. Just like that. I'm gonna let this. Should I make it a bigger? You should keep that in the. Yeah, let's see. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, man. If you're new here, just sub up, bro. Sub up. All right, it's going pretty well right now. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let it run, chat. I'm just gonna let this trade run. And yeah, I'm just gonna let this trade run. Chat, give me some moment. I'll be back. Yep. We'll just keep looking at this. Right. What do we have right now? We have done it. All right, we tapped into that fair value gap one more time, bro. All right, it's looking good, chat. The trade is looking good. Good morning, Bernie. How is everything going so far? I'm not gonna say pretty good, but yeah, something happened to me uh, previous day, and I'll share that in a video. I'll make a video about it. I'm not gonna say what it is, but yeah, something happened to me. And right now I'm kind of not in a stable mind, bro. Like the situation is pretty bad for me right now. My mind just screwed up, bro. I'm not feeling well these days about my mentality, but there's something I need to talk about with you all. And yeah, maybe not. I hope I'll drop the video tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, then probably the next day. What can I say, bro? Or I need to see this candle, like, do not cross that swing high right left to it. That swing high to the left, I don't want to see that being violated. I want to see that swing high staying like within that fair value gap right there. If we can see another candle closer right now, maybe a down close candle, then it's a pretty good setup. Let me check on my trade, brother. How are you doing? Hey, brother, how are you doing? Bro, I'm kinda doing okay, not too very well, but yeah, I'm doing okay, I guess. Because lately, my mind just screwed up, bro. I'm unstable right now. These few days been difficult for me. You may see me doing these streams, but I'm not stable right now. Like so many thoughts going on my head. Let me just tell you one thing. Yesterday night, I slept at 4:30 a.m., bro. I just slept for 4 hours just. So yeah, there's something I need to talk about. So yeah, I'll make a video about it and share with you all. Once we once we take out these lows on GU, the trade's gonna be pretty good. Yep, it's looking so far good, bro. Not gonna lie, this trade's looking good. And right now it's 7:39 a.m. Let's see how much. All right, that's almost like if we can get down around here. Let's target for like 1:2 or trade. So that will be like 15 pips right there, and we're risking like 7.5 pips on that trade. Let's see. Let's see. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're new here, just sub up, bros. We're already up like we're already 4 pips on that trade. Yep. So I need to put the jewel identifiers in here. There it goes. Now it's looking good. All right, we are going down. Pretty nice. No red bullet today. Let me see it first. We have one at 10 a.m. though. All right, I think it's a medium impact news. All right, we have one at 10 a.m. That's medium impact news. All right, we're going down. We can take something off of this trade right now. Let me see the position. Yeah, it's a medium impact news, bro. Chat, I just booked like 30% off of this trade. Yep, it's going pretty well right now. I might just target for a little bit lower. Not gonna lie, but let's see how is how price goes from here. Depending on that, I'll probably lower my target a little bit more. And I got trapped in the opposite side. Bro, why did you buy, bro? The price been going lower the whole day, and we have been looking for like some lows to be taken. Let's have a look at euro though. Yeah, euro's doing well. Chat, if we want to go higher on euro and GBP, I don't want to see this low being taken. But I kind of feel like that low is gonna be taken also on euro. But it's gonna be like some high resistance liquidity runs. That's what I think. That's why I chose GU to trade today. I might let's see. Bro, it was gonna be slower. I told you when I started the stream. Always trade the pair who is which one's gonna move like fast, bro. Which ones has like some low resistance liquidity runs. If you're not sure about the liquidities where its price gonna go, then you should probably rest, bro. Maybe take the day off. Just like me. Yesterday I didn't even trade, bro. But we're up like 9 pips, I guess. It moved like already 9 points from there. All right, let's see if we can get this target on GU chat. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you want to sub up, do it, bro. Why are you waiting? Let's say 20K before this year ends, because I want to like bring ICT on this channel by the end of the year. So yeah, if I don't have like enough subscriber, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to do that. So yeah, so just sub up, bro. By the way, chat, I think I'm gonna reopen my private group. Uh, Last year I had like 5 or 10 people join the private mentorship. So yeah, I'll probably reopen the mentorship. And if any of you want to join, you can slide into my DMs to know the details, bro. It's up to you. All right, we're going for the target right now. Let's see. See how G is gravitating towards that low, while DX are not even moving, because G these lows for GU is like low resistance liquidity run. GU has to take that low, so that's why GU is moving quicker. Let me see my position. I might take 90%, like the rest of the 90% off when I hit the low right there. Let me just have alert on there. Yeah, when you hit that low, I might take like 90% off of the trade, and then leave the rest of the 10% to go lower. Yeah, it's doing pretty well. All right, now I can move my stop loss to this high right there, right there. So that's like right now it's a 3.5 hour trade. If we hit that low right there, let's see. And we're heading to 7:45 to 8:15 my macro right now. Can you please help me with the pairs so that I can get set up more, which moves differently? Bro, trade GU and DU. All right, a little more push, bro. Come on, come on. 3 points. I told you, bro. I don't want to see you take out that low right there. Use not going up, bro. Use in like uh, too much discount zone right now. If we want to go higher, euro should not take out this low. Let me just mark that for you. That low right there, euro should not take out that low. If we want to go higher from there, but if euro take out that low, my bias is gonna be shift. My bias is gonna shift, bro. If we take out that low, but if we see some SMT with that low right there on GU, I'm sure that we will go higher. If not this week, then maybe the next week we might make some make the low of the week within this PDR right there on GU, and EU is in discount, too much discount right now, so it's oversold right now. So people gonna like buy it, but GU should take out this low because uh, smart money gonna buy below that low onto you. Why? I'm not gonna say why, but yeah, that's the reason. All right, we're about to hit that target, bro. Come on, a little more push. I might just take it off. I might just take the full position off when I hit that low right there. I don't want to be like greedy, something like that. Let's see. I, I already booked like 20% of this trade chat below this low on that candle slow. Right there, I booked like 20% on this trade. So I have like 80% left on this trade. I'll be closing all of it when we hit that low right there. Yeah, we might tap one more time into the CB right there, but we did immediate rebalance. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna let this spread just play and then explain. Come on, bro, hit the target, bro. 752. Yep. If we can see this CB remain unfilled, then that's probably gonna be a like more significant indication that price wanna go lower and take that lower. Let's see. I don't wanna go into the 1 minute time frame, bro. How much point we move like? And, we moved like 12.9 pips on that move right there. That's like 12, almost 13 pips. Come on, come on, come on. All right, we tap into that. All right, it tap into that CB right there yet. Let's see if we can get the low right now. I think it should fall right now. If within the next two or three candle, if the price doesn't fall, then that's not a good sign for us to be in the straight chat. I'm okay if price tapped into that first quadrant right there. Let me show you this one right there. I'm okay if price tap into that also, but I want to see a sudden reaction off of that if we go up to that point. But right now, what I'm seeing, price should fall within the next two or three candles. Maybe the next candle should take out that low. That low should be taken within the next candle. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought, bro. If we want, we can get out of the trade right now. I'm in profit right now, but I want to hold this trade. I know it's gonna go there, but let's see. It's gonna go there, bro. If price turns up on me from this point, then there's nothing I can do. That I would say that's my bad luck for today. But let's see. All right. Let's see another thing right there. So yeah, that's how you use it. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yep, sub up. And if you want to join the private group, then yep, DM me. Come on, bro. Come on, come on. Check that bitch out, bro. Come on. I know it is gonna fall, bro, but you know our thoughts. We are human beings. We have these weird thoughts in our mind. That's what I'm saying, bro. But it could just like reverse from there. But that's not in my hand right now. I've done everything on this trade. I've done my analysis. I know it's gonna go there, but if it reverses from there just by short of like not even 2.6 pips, it's like 2 pips right there. So if it's now reverse from that point, then that's gonna be my luck, bro. Bro, there's more to divergence. There's more to divergence, bro. You guys don't even have that. I'm not like making jokes right now, but I've like stared on these charts for hours and hours every day to find out that one specific thing that's gonna like open my eyes to these concepts. And I found that, bro. And I know what works, what not. And in terms of liquidity, there's no one better than me. Trust me, bro. In terms of identifying liquidities, there's no one better than me. I might get a wrong entry sometimes, but you see me every day doing this live stream. The previous streams yesterday was not good though, but except that, I think we had a pretty good month. We had a pretty good month, bro. September was a good month. All right. I still have one thing right now on the chart. Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna put my stop loss into this high. It's not on break even, but it's close to break even. Now someone's gonna tell me I'm gonna get stopped out, bro. If it takes up that high, then it's gonna take out this high also. So I know, bro. And price should drop now. Right now, price should drop, bro. It should drop. Let's see. I'm okay to be wrong, bro. There's the last safety net. Risk management. Let's see, bro. If it's gonna take a retracement, then I'm okay with it, bro. By the way, chat, I already booked some profits on this spread, so yeah, I have no issue to take the stop. Let's see. Even if I get stopped out on this trade right now, I'll be up, bro. Not much, but yeah, I'll still be positive in this trade. Chat, I told you I'm not gonna lose my mind if I get stopped out on this. Cause it's now 8:07, bro. If I lose the trade, then I'm just gonna wait and look for another setup, bro. But in my point of view, if we take out that high right there, where my stop at right now, that high, we're gonna take out all three of them. And right, if price doesn't drop right now, then it's probably gonna take out this. Because right now price in premium right now. Let me show you. So you see that we are in premium. So if we want to take out this loss, price should drop. If it doesn't, then that's not a valid, bro. That's not a valid setup. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, we probably gonna make a SMT. Yeah, we're probably gonna make a SMT with this high right there. Let's see. I want to see how this candle close though. Yeah, I want to see how this candle close. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, sub up and be a part of the community. What the fuck? 1 minute left. If it rejects, then all about. Let's see. Let's see. Even if it doesn't reject from there, who, who cares, bro? That means I'm wrong today. I'm wrong on this trade. We do have this one right here also. I want to see this. I want to see a down close candle right now. Chat. I'm gonna get stopped out in this candle, or either it's gonna go. It's gonna create a down close candle. If it's a up close candle, I'm gonna get stopped out, and maybe I'll just take the stop. And I did a good thing that I booked something on that trade, like 20% when we were like, how much we were up like that time? Yeah, we were up at that time like 8.6 pip, and I took out something off of that trade. So right now I have a 1 pip stop loss. It's not 1 pip, it's less than 1 pip. Let me show you, bro. It's like zero point 0.6, bro. Changes direction. CB field changes directions. Let's see, bro. If it does, then I'm gonna take a stop, bro. Let me see something. If you are saying when we have like CB field, we're gonna move upside, then what about this, bro? What about this? Price only look for liquidities, bro. And for me, fair value gaps are confirmations, bro. And there's one more thing, like, bro, my strategy is very simple. Like, I only look for liquidities, and I only have in my mind like the premium and the discount zone. I know it's gonna show some reaction of those zones if I'm in certain directions. All right, that's not looking good though. All right, let's see if I get stopped out. Who cares, bro? That's half of it. It's right there. I kind of feel like we might go lower, bro. We can still go lower, bro. Yeah, it should go lower. Yeah, bro, it should go lower. I don't know what's happening right now. Let's see. What the fuck? What is that? That's eyebrow, bro. Winston Lowe. How are you, bro? Hi. Hi, 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 bro. FPG tells story. It does in terms of confirming the bias or confirming the directions. I've told you I use only fair value gaps, bro. I use fair value gaps for entries, not the regular fair value gaps. I have something else. I use FBG for entries, FBG for confirming the directions. Then I use FBG for, yeah, to spot the liquidities. Either price gonna go to certain price points or not. Yeah, this candle should fall, bro. This candle should fall. The candles tell the story. Should I laugh, bro? Should I laugh like, right now? Like you laughed at him, and I feel like I should laugh at you, bro. Where price is, where price in the charts right now? That's gonna tell you the story. That's it. Whether the fair value gap and the order block will the candle have same value? What do you mean, bro? What type of question is that? That doesn't even make sense. Chat, just be in the chat. Don't leave the chat. Why am I saying that right now? You'll know. You'll know soon. Just be in the chat. Do not leave. Just let this trade run. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. I don't even need that. We have like 2 minutes 43 seconds left for the candle closure. Yeah, I don't even care, bro. Now let me tell you all that we are going to move up from here only if we create a failure swing low right there. Just know this. We are going to move up on GU if we create a swing low right there. That that's going to fail to take out this low. Then we're going to move up. Yes, I do. I do trade ES and NQ, bro. Yeah, forgot to like check on that, bro. Bro, look at NQ where it is right now. I told you, bro. Yesterday I told you, chat. It's gonna go fill that BC right there, and it did. Right now I don't know where it's gonna go, but in terms of like Let me go to a 4 hour chart. Yeah. But right now it's in like premium zone. Yeah, we could go down. We could go a little more down on NAS. How much higher is it gonna continue, bro? I think it should take London low at least. Yeah, bro, it should take. But I kind of feel like it's gonna continue lower. It's gonna continue a little more lower today, but let's see. Who knows, bro? The thing about NAS is that until 10 a.m., I mean 9:30, I cannot say anything much about NAS. I do can identify the liquidity points, but in terms of like at the opening bell where it's gonna go, I don't know. All right, I got stopped out on the trade chat, and yep, let's wrap it up. Let me see, bro. USD shape, where to got that high, bro? Chat, how many of you saw this on the Discord? How many of you saw this on the Discord channel? I told you if we take out this high, we're gonna go up and take out this high also. How many of you saw this? Bro, this was just a clean move, bro. Like almost 100 pips right there. Damn, bro. Fucking hell, bro. What the fuck? Chat, I'm still bullish on Euro, bro. I really don't want to see this low being taken. Let me just do this for you, right? And Euro probably gonna go down. We tapped into our list CB right now. There it is. It might go down right now. I might re-enter the trade chat. Let me show you something. Alright, I'll just wait for it to go a little bit higher. Yep, it can go lower, chat. I just want a little more deeper retracement. I have this bearish order block right there also. Why do we have anything? No, we still don't have anything on the red. That right there is the hourly CV chat, and this one is the order block on the 30-minute, I guess. Yeah, let's see. I messed up my psychology very bad this month, bro. Give me a hug, bro. I did too, bro. I did too, and I'm very unstable about that right now. I slept at yesterday. I mean last night I slept at 4:35 a.m. bro. A.m. I didn't even sleep, bro. Entry was 24,580 and scaling entry 24600. Yeah, we do have some SMT right now on NAS. I think when we hit the 930, we might just go up and swap this lows. Let me just draw it for you. Let me draw it for you all. Alright, look for that OTA point right there. From there on, my price might go up. Let's go to GU. But I don't have anything right now, bro. Give me something. Bro, fuck. Bro, price just stopped moving right now. What the fuck is going on? It just stopped. In 30 minutes, it's a little more clear. Bro, I want to enter this trade so bad right now. I really want to enter this trade, but I want to see price tap into the premium. I kind of feel like it's gonna go down without me, but it's not moving right now, bro. It's not even moving right now. Yep, it's gonna move without me, bro. Alright, this motherfucker is gonna move without me, bro. Fuck. But I'm okay, bro. I might just sit still rather than just entering a blind trade, just knowing it's gonna go lower. I have my uh, like confirmations, PDRS. So if those things doesn't align with my trade, I'm not taking that. So yeah, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, sub up. And yep. By the way, chat, if you want to join the community, check out the Discord server. It's free to join. And if you want to join the private mentorship group, and then DM me, slide into my DM. I'll send you the information about this. All right, bro. That volume imbalance right there, just yeah, that volume imbalance is for like some critical place for uh, the expert. That's why we're seeing this, bro. That's why we see these retracements. But we do have another one right here as well. Let's see on the 5 minute chart. You see that? Right now it's gonna go. Chat, I might go one more time, I guess. Let's see the 1 minute chart. All right, I'm gonna go in if we close below that low. Let's see. Come on, give me a close, bro. All right, chat, I'm in that trade. Let's see. Come on, let's go to a 5 minute chart. Yeah, boy. Come on. Give me back my money, bro. So I'm risking like 5 points on this trade. Now Euro's gonna move quicker. I told you Euro's gonna move quicker right now. And we might take out that low, bro, but I don't want to see that. I really don't want to see price take out these lows, bro. Fuck no. Come on. We're up like 1 hour, I guess. Is that 1 hour? No, that's not 1 hour. Upper thread here. No, just target these lows. That's like 2 hour. Chad, this doesn't look good, bro. This doesn't look good, bro. We already swept the high on DX, but look at GU. What the fuck are you doing, GU? Alright, this doesn't look good to me, bro. If we, as I have said, bro, if we see a failure swing right here, we're going up. I want to see a speed. I want to see speed right now. I don't want to see any like support from here. If we see that, then we are going up, bro. We're gonna shift the trend. Yeah, that doesn't look good, bro. I'll just wait for the next candle. I might uh, tighten the stop loss a little bit more, because I don't feel like it does want to go lower. But in case if I'm wrong, then I'll just have a look, like lesser risk on that trade. Chad, whatever you do, always like manage your risk. Uh, in trading, if you're good at one thing, uh, you're not going to be profitable. Like, let me just clarify that. You like if you're just good at finding the buyers, you're not going to be good, because you have to have a good entry. Like if you enter at any point on the trend and then have a tight stop loss, you're gonna get like stopped out, bro. So you must have a good entry strategy, then have some. If you're an ICT trader, then you should have like proper knowledge of PDRs, and then you have to like be sure about the buyers and liquidities. All right, this doesn't look good, bro. Yeah, damn, bro. I might close the trade, chat. Not gonna lie, I don't feel like being in that trade, bro. Did you ever swap that low? No, it didn't. Where the volume imbalance on DXY, that's what like making all this move right now. DXY had some volume imbalance on the daily chart. So we're reaching from there, and that's what causing GUs to, I mean GU and EU to like take these deep retracements. But let's see. I don't want to see that candle's high crossed. Right. We do have relative equal lows right down there, so that should cause price to move lower. Now there's too many things. Chad, give a thumbs up to the stream. Yeah, give a like, bro. Just give a like. What the fuck even am I doing, bro? Yeah, come on, bro. Come on. I feel like I should take like 50% off right now. Let me just take 50% off. Yep. All right. Right now, even if price go up right now, I don't fucking care, bro. Yep. Come on, bro. Come on. All right. I feel like this candle is gonna take out these lows. Yeah, that candle right there should take out these lows. Yeah, it's gonna take out these lows. Yep. By the way, chat, do you see something? My original entry was right here, and my stop loss was right above that high. So if I was in that trade, I I I could have like I should I was like I had to like tolerate like these all these retracement, and price didn't even took up that high. All right, we're like 7 pips up right now. So that's puts to 350. Come on, come on, bro. Come on. Yeah, push. Come on, a little bit more. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, bro. Damn, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, bro. Come on, come on, come on. Fuck, bro. It's teasing right now. That's pure teasing right now. Nvidia NAS is going to drop again today. There is no red folder to manipulate higher, and Nvidia ended really bad yesterday. On JU, you know what that 1 hour gap is? Alright, come on. What are we talking about, bro? This one right here. I think that's on the 4 hour. Come on, bro. Take out the low. Oh, are you talking about this one? It's parallel, but what else? Alright, damn, bro. Come on, bro. We did good. We did good, chat. Yeah, it's going for that severe BC right there, chat. And let's have a look at Euro. Bro, Euro should not check out these lows, bro. If it does, then I'll probably have to do all my analysis one more again. In terms of bias, I do have that. Uh, I'll like leave it to you. It's my secret to identify the directions where price gonna go. So yeah, that's my last safety net in terms of which direction Euro gonna go. That's gonna decide. If we take out that low right there, let me just leave a alert right there. If Euro take out that low right there, then there's nothing else. It also the New York opening gap is a price magnet ICT concept. That right there. New week opening gap. What do you say, bro? Let's see. I don't think it is. Fuck, why is it? There you go. That was Monday. Where is that opening gap, bro? Alright, I'm in the bottom. Friday. But whatever, if it had that, bro, I don't know, but I had my other analysis. So yeah, chat, we did good, bro. We were able to like capture 10 pips on that trade. Uh, did some mistake on the first one, got out early on the first one, but yeah, we managed to take the trade again and did a good job. So yeah, I'll probably just leave GU, pound and euro for today, and let's move to NAS. I'm just gonna move to NAS right now. Chad, look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. Didn't I say we're gonna tap there on the OT? Let's see when we hit the 930 where price is gonna go. If I'm right, we're gonna move higher, but I don't know how to. For indices, that's difficult to say, bro. But we should go higher. Yeah, we should go higher, bro. What the fuck, bro? Her watch is just damn, bro. Bro, I only use the weekly open price. Monday opening price, I use that sometimes. If you see the DXY charts, if you have noticed that on the DXY when I was pulling up the chart, and you probably seen that like I have those red lines there. Those are the like Monday opening price. So I use that for most of the time for DXY, but not that much on euro and pound because I've used it like a year before from right now, but I didn't found that much of like profitability with, but just by that. So over time, I've like modified my strategy, and I've included some stuff and just uh, excluded something, and that's how I trade right now. Let me be real, bro. I do not use too many things on my charts. I wanna have it clean. I'm out of my NQ short setups in. Bro, if you're up 150 bucks right now, Bernie, then just maybe the better option would be like do not trade today. Yeah, bro. This might not sound good to hear, but that's it, bro. Just do not trade today. Just wait and yeah, maybe trade tomorrow the London session or the New York session. Just wait. Make sure you have control over your mind. Bro, what even I'm saying, bro, I do not have control over myself, bro. Sometimes I just fuck up, bro. Fuck, bro. You trade prop accounts. Yeah, I do trade props and personal capital. Maybe, bro. Bro, there's no such move right now on NAS. There's no move on NAS right now, bro. There's nothing I can say about NAS. Let me see something. If we go down on ES, This is the low I want to see being taken. And for NAS, that I'll be watching for. Let me take this off. Yeah, I'll be watching for these lows to be taken on NAS. It can go below there, but I want to see if we go down. This will be my like draw only liquidity. But let's see, chat. I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll have to wait for the 9:30. But my initial expectation from NAS is that we should go higher and take that low, high out. Then we might see some run below. Or could be like this after swiping that high right there when ES might fail to take out that high right there, but NAS probably gonna take out that low. After that we might see some like market structure shift on the lower time frame and then go lower. Geo more volatile. Bro, I've told you, bro. Geo's gonna move quicker today. What are you even doing, bro? Look at it, bro. Geo just went into that 4 hour BC, bro. So if I hold on to that trade, it was like how much point? That's like 17 pips. Whatever. Bro, that's the secret, bro. Zeit. Zeit. Yep, Zeit. Alright, Zeit. Bro, Zeit. That's the secret of mine. Maybe everyone has their own explanation, but there's something else. Those who I don't know if anyone knows that, but let me just leave it up, bro. I do have the answer why Geo is gonna move quicker than Euro, but I can't show that to you, bro. It's only for my private students. Right, USD JPY. Let me see. All right, we're gonna go up, bro. We might just go, might like continue up on USD JPY, and because we have we broke that high right there on the daily time frame. Now we might go up and swap that high also, and then we have the last one right here. That's my draw on liquidity on USD JPY. If we like continue from there, but I feel like it's only gonna swap that high only. Then if we are bearish, it should fall from there. But let's see. I can predict that, but how much it is that? That's 38 points, bro. That's 38 points right there. Bro, I told you, Joy. Zide, is it Zide? All right. If I'm spelling it wrong, pardon. How much time left? All right, we have like 30 minutes left for the 9:30 bell, bro. Is M5 your lowest time frame for Forex? Bro, just because I've started doing this live stream, I use the 5 minute time frame because if I use the hourly time frame, people are gonna be so pissed off looking at these streams. So yeah, I use the 5 minute time frame and try to like get like 15 to 20 pips per stream. But when I'm off stream, I try to take like one shot, one kill setup. Like I'll just I always try to pick the bottom. I mean not the bottom, but close to the opening price of the weekly candle. And yeah, ride that weekly candle. That's what I most of the time do. All right, next probably gonna Chad, if we see like a upside movement and swap this high before the 9:30 opening, we might continue lower. But if we like consolidate around this here before the 9:30, when the market opens, we're gonna go up and swap that high, then go lower. These two are the scenarios probably gonna look for. Yep, it should go up. But let's see, chat. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and yeah, sub up, bros. Sub up. We feel that volume imbalance on the XY, but we do have that high, I guess. Yeah. All right, we swap that high also on the XY. What's Euro doing? All right. Yeah, I told you I don't want to see Euro take out that low. There it is. Whatever. Fuck it. Wow, that was a clean setup, bro. Mhm. I'll probably hear some music and chill for a bit. Bro, I've made my money on Geo today, so bunny, I don't care what it's gonna do next. I'll probably open the chart tomorrow and see what it did the whole night, then do my analysis for the day. Tell us about Joy's duty. Zow, 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 zow. Bro, gold. We're already like talking about something else right now. Let's leave gold for a bit. Chat, I'll just close the webcam for like 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Give me some time. Yep. Come on, turn the radio on. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and those who are new here, sub up quickly, and go and follow me on X too. Look at your hands without me. So yeah, baby, that's what I wanna see. That's what I wanna see. Come on, come on, bro. I feel like this is gonna hold price. That BC right there, that's gonna hold price. Let's demo trade this shit, bro. Come on. Always demo trade this shit. Come on. Because I'm having itchy on my hand right now to trade it, but so that's why I'm gonna like trade demo on this. Let's see. What day is it today? All right, today is Wednesday. So, uh, Chad, should I do the signal group or do the mentorship? I feel like I should do the mentorship because I don't feel like doing the signals because it's not gonna help you though, because it's more like you're depending on me, on my signals. Because if you don't have what you uh, don't have the strategy, then you're probably gonna lose it all when you don't like have anyone to like provide you the signals. That's kind of my thoughts. So what do you see? I mean, what do you say, Chad? I'll probably like do it on the Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna get started on this shit. Chad, have you guys seen Do More? There's a new guy on the on YouTube who's uh, like making videos on trade recaps on I mean the future in futures category. He's like following signals, but yet he's like trying so many different strategies, but still not like he on his last latest video he said like he lost like I think it was 2000 bucks on prop accounts in term of evaluations fees, and yet he didn't even get any payout. So I don't feel like if even if you like have someone to give you signals, you're gonna be profitable unless you have a like good psychology and a good strategy. And you're gonna get pissed off when you have a bad signal from someone. You're gonna get like so pissed off about that. So it's better to like trade on your own. Bro, let me tell you guys something. So there are some people in this world that they can like learn something by by their own. Uh, Not everyone's not the same. We had to go through like college, universities, and we had our teachers to uh, teach us some lessons, some specific subject. Why? Because they have that knowledge on that subject. And there are some guys who can like read the book and probably understand that, but not most of them. So people need mentors, bro. If someone against mentorship, then I don't care, bro. You should then, I think you should learn at your own, bro. And you should not be pissed off while someone else is teaching someone, if it does work though. But I'm against if someone is just rebranding someone else stuff and saying that it's something new. I'm against that. Bro, look at that. Price just tapped into that down close candles opening, and bro, and we have like 15 minutes left for the market open. Bro, I just saw Tory trades like charging like she's charging like 949 bucks for a mentorship, bro. And it's about trend lines, bro. I was like laughing, bro. What the fuck? And people are buying it. What the fuck? Just trend line theories, bro. What the fuck are you in? People are out of mind, bro. I might just I'll just put the details. I think around the first date of the next month on the community. So if you want to join the private group, you can. And it's gonna be like 6 months, 3 months. I'm gonna teach you the strategy, and the other 3 months you're gonna work on psychology and life charts and other stuffs that's gonna help you improve your like trading. Bro, do you even know only like 1% people succeed in trading? If you know that, then you should understand how difficult this industry is. It's not about only the chart, it's about you, bro. It's about improving yourself, and when you have like someone with you, that's easier, bro. Bro, let me tell you, I'm with this shit almost for a year, and I've gone through so much in my life, not just uh, trading, but so many difficulties I've gone through. You don't even have any idea. And I'm not someone who belongs to a like well established family. I'm from a like middle class family, bro. So I had to go through a lot, bro. Right now I'm doing well in terms of providing food, clothes to my parents, to my like I do help my parents with uh, all these things for the rent, and I also like manage all my expenses by my own. So I'm doing well. I'm not I haven't reached my goals yet in terms of what I want to achieve in life, but I'm doing well. I'm in that path of like achieving those, and it's almost, bro, like 4 years right now doing this shit. And if you talk about like YouTube, doing YouTube contents, then it's like 7 years. I've been making contents for 7 years right now. When I'll probably just show you my first smartphone which what I used to make content. I don't have that with me right now because I've left it with my parents in my parents' home. So when I bring that, I'm gonna show you that phone, bro. Let me just see if I have any images of that phone, bro. You're gonna laugh, bro. You're gonna laugh your ass off if you see that from. But that was my situation, bro. If I want, I can buy an iPhone right now, but I don't want to buy any iPhone or invest into some bullshit because I know, bro, this shit is not too easy. Even if I have money right now, I don't want to like spend it carelessly, bro. Let me see if I have this picture. I think I have the picture. Come on, where are you? Do I have it? Bro, it's not here. What the fuck? Where is it? Come on, bro, it should have been here. Bro, what the fuck? I think it's not in this one. Chat, let me just show you some pics, bro. I found these pics on Insta yesterday. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see that? How's that pic, bro? I'm thinking of like putting them as profile pictures on Discord, as DP on Discord, bro. How's that, bro? I have another one. The goat, bro. That is the goat right there. That's funny, bro. That's too funny, bro. What the fuck? Oh, sorry for the level 1.341 is a 15-minute fair or not for my bet on that. I always look for 15-minute fair value of the targets. How is your win rate? Bro, my win rate is like 64%. I think I have that. Let me just show you. Do I have the image on that? Probably I have that image. Uh, Bro, personally, I trade like uh, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4 are trades. And my stop losses are huge, bro. My stop losses are like 20 to 30 pips. And because I have like 90 to 100 pips target on the higher time frame, you may see me like doing these short trades on this lower time frame during these live streams because you won't like sit and watch a hourly candle panning out. So that's why I do it. But I personally trade higher time frames. Let me see if I get the get it for you. Come on, bro. Right, it has dropped. It has. I can't show you all the numbers, but let me just show you something. It has dropped to 58%, chat. Yeah, it has dropped to 58%. That's my life fund, not like any. I'm not gonna show you the numbers, but I'll show you the trades and the win rate. Do you see that 58%? Do you see that? I think you see that. Can you see the chat? Yeah, it's 58% right now. It was at 64, but I think because of yesterday's trade, ah, yep, Great. Do you trade it? I see. Acha, right. That's good for you. I'm doing good in terms of trading, bro. Cause bro, just have this calculation for you by yourself. Like if you have a 1:3 trade, even if you lose two, if you win the third one, you're gonna be like up, bro. If not up, at least to break even. So if I get like two trades, I almost most of the time I trade like take like two trade uh, per day. So if I get one lose, if I lose one, then I'll probably get a win the next one. So I'll be up like 2 hours in terms of profits. So that's how my strategy works. You saw me taking that GU trade that was like 1:2 trade. So yeah, I always target for like higher R trades, not like those 1:15 or 1:20 R trade, but I do like uh, have some higher huge stop loss so that my so the price could breathe. Bro, if someone's telling you that he's like his win rate is like 70 to 80%, he's lying, bro. Tell him to show you like the whole year. I took like 346 trades and yet I'm at 58% win rate. So you can imagine. If someone say telling you that he's like I have a like 80% win rate, bro, 90% win rate, fuck you, bro. What the fuck are you even saying, bro? Bro, those people are just doing that for attention, bro. Maybe he has something to sell you and to grab your attention. He's doing that. Apart from that, there's like, bro, that's not possible, bro. My win rate are like chat will it's always like 60 to 65. Sometimes it's 61%, sometimes it's 62, sometimes I go down to 58, 54. Because not every day I'm gonna get good trades, bro. So yeah, I might lose one or two in a week, but uh, I'll be up like up in term of profits because I trade like higher trades. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing how price is just consolidated within that fair value gap? It's not moving lower. So that could be indication price want to go higher and take that high out. Let's see, chat. I entered the trade on this down close candle. So I don't, let's see. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and if you're like enjoying the stream, if you want to, then do subscribe, bros. And let's hit 20K before the year. Like I really want to bring ICT on this channel. So yeah, if you do subscribe, I'll be able to bring him on the channel. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. What? Yep, I feel like Net's gonna go up, bro. I might get stopped out on these, but I'm still gonna look for that high to be taken out, and then some continuation to lowest. uh, these lows right there. So let's see. All right, bam, bro, bam, bam. Price just took out that high right there. That high right there has been taken home. What did I say, chat? It moved like 1 hour on this trade, more than 1 hour, bro. Let me see something. Let's see. Yes. All right. Yes, haven't. Did yes took out those highs? Yeah. Now we're gonna go lower, I guess. Let's see. Yeah. Now it's gonna go lower. Yep. What the fuck? The stop loss didn't even get hit, bro. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? It should go up, bro. Hey, yeah, it's gonna take out this low. Then we have this one also here. Let's see. Right now it's yep. Come on. Now it's gonna take out this lows. Oh my gosh. I've taken two trades in today's session chat. Both were on GBP and yeah, I did good on both the trade. I'm up this week. This week I'm up right now. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Paddle, paddle. Mm, mm. Bro, BMW is just like, bro, those are my crush, bro. I'm gonna buy one day. I'm gonna buy a BMW one day. Yeah, I'll do. I'm gonna buy it one day. Bro, I can exactly tell you why you took out that high, but I'm not gonna say it. And price is now gonna go for these lows. Chat, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I've been streaming for, I think it's like almost 2.5 hours right now. So yeah, I'll probably drop the video very soon. Some things that's gonna help you. It's about some psychology, but I've gone through something. I'm gonna share it with you all. And the ICT motivational speech video is on still production. I'm still editing that video too. So I haven't like edited the whole audio yet. It's taking a little bit more time than usual because it's already like uh, more than 34 minutes. So it's gonna be more than 34 minutes, bro. I have so many clips to add to it yet. I mean voice clips, so it's gonna take a little bit time. But in the meantime, I'm gonna drop a video about some things I've gone through this week, and it's gonna help you. I would say this. It's gonna help you, bro. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Until then, trade less, trade like only the nicest setups you see. And yeah, be safe, chat. Peace out. Peace out, chat.